You took it off.
Oh, almost.
My warranty's way done.
Fuck your warranty. What's up, guys? We're here at the Parker Performance Garage and we just finished up this 2017 EcoBoost Mustang with a CV Fab catless downpipe. Install went pretty good. It's fairly simple.
We'll take a look at the stainless steel downpipe here. This is the off-road catless version. It is fully TIG welded, T304 stainless steel. One of the coolest things for us as an installer is this catless downpipe is actually able to go on a non-tuned EcoBoost Mustang because he actually includes the O2 defouler in the downpipe. Many customers come to us, they buy a catless downpipe, they don't want to tune it, we have to charge them for a defouler, we have to install the defouler, defouler positioning sucks, it winds up hitting the transmissions or the oil pan, all sorts of stuff. Non-issue here using the CV Fab downpipe.
Alright guys, this pretty much wraps up this catless downpipe from CV Fab. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram. We have great deals all the time, and we look forward to seeing you next video. What's up, guys? We're back here at the Parker Performance Garage and we just finished up this 2017 EcoBoost Mustang with a CV Fab downpipe, and install went pretty good. It's super simple. We have a sale going on right now, I believe, right, Josh? Take 3.
I wasn't prepared
How much
for that.
How much is it? How much is it?
Let me find out how much they cost.
That's a great one.
You said the install. I was ready for the install price. $150. I had that on lock. And he throws me a volleyball for a spike, and he's like, "This is gonna hit it," and I'm like, "Oh."
I actually asked Zane, I'm like, he's not gonna fucking know. I'm like, why?
How much was that downpipe?
What do you think of that, Vic?
Y'all fucked up.
Vic, live a little, bro. Live a little.
Hold on. CV Fab. Let me just pull it